I hope.
You know, iPhone, this is I-H-O-P. I hope.
I hope.
I hope. I hope.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it's like kudu. It's a food change, fast food. But I hope is standing for International House of Pancakes.
Ah.
They have several outlets already. If you have never been there, you should go there on the breakfast one morning, you know, in the weekend. Very popular. It is, you get pancakes and you get beef bacon and you can have blah, 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 and maple syrup. It's not healthy, but it's nice. Once in a blue moon, you know.
Yeah.
IHOP.
hope.
There is one IHOP in Ring Road. Where the area center is. You know, the new one close to my area. On the right hand side there, before Prince Turkey, there's IHOP.
Anyhow.
In the front.
Anyhow.
Very popular.
Tabi ng tinner. Tabi ng tinner. Meron ba?
IHOP.
I hope.
Matulis no?
All this is
Yeah.
good.
Kasi pinapindaan naman.
Okay.
Oo. Mas ugat ka dyan. Yeah, meron pa ako. Nakalimpan pa ganun ka.
If you have some rays sticking out, you can just use a file if you like, because then you are taking the same. It's straight. It's a straight hole. Yeah. If you are using sandpaper, if you are using sandpaper on anything, then put a wood piece or something, you know, something that is flattened. Okay. Sometimes we find it look like this, but I don't know if you have that or not. Do we have a fastening properly? Yeah. You can use a fastening block. I love to use the fantasy. Or you have to tell you then it is no degrees. Sometimes it is, when you do it like that, if you're lucky, then there is a metal piece sticking up and you get it in your finger. That's why it is better to do what he's doing. Then just go over. And the same, what we do like here,
Yeah.
on the edges to make sure that we do not have here, for example, that it is, if you go with your nail, you will feel it will stop if there is anything. Because if there is a small mark here, that can cause a crack. Okay? But remember, you are still on the cold, you know, cold side. The same here. Just make sure that there is no. No, sige. Yes. If there is not a straight and if there is a mark in there, that can cause a crack. So that is why when before we are closing off this one, like I said, we will do recheck all the lockings and we will do the quality control on both sides before we close this one together. We will look and look. Lucky look. Small thing, but an important thing. Do you know the bird that the peacock?
Yeah, peacock.
You know the one that is
Pabo.
will make that very nice,
Yeah.
you know. But it is the male. That is the male, huh?
Male?
That's not the female. The female looks like a little turkey, you know. The male is the one with all the beautiful colors and the
Rainbow.
yeah, the rainbow. That's the male peacock.
Scale,
This is when sometimes it's showing off, you know, especially in the
Display.
mating season, you know, he is going around this ladies.
Attracting ladies.
Oh, for sure. Like showing up, you know,
Display.
himself off looking like he's very big,
Yeah, yeah.
impressive, and you know, and it's big. And then he's going out, you know, and making this on. And then this lady, birds which is there, they are getting absolutely fed up on this kind of performance, you know, which they have to look at, you know. So there was in one animal, so you know, there was people was going, I don't know. And then this girls they were saying to the peacock, they said, "Stop that noise, nonsense! Stop this nonsense! Show us your dick." So yeah, you don't need to show this, all the feathers and all your colors. If you have, you know, if you have a good dick, that's it.
Good day, no problem.
Exactly. It's all the problem. Or do you feel 100% sure and confident that next measurements will be put on?